You know the strange thing about life? Having to work. Having to work and make somebody else all kind of money. When you could be making all kind of money for yourself. You know? Having to make somebody all kind of money. And you could just make money for yourself. And you don't even have to work. And you don't even have to invest in no product to say buy a bunch of products and buy a piece of property or go rent a piece of property or lease a piece of property. You don't gotta do none of that. Hey man, real talk. I talk about. I can show you where you could go and get trained from a professional. You see what I'm saying? This is a serious mentor. Take him as a mentor. You see what I'm saying? You could get trained from a successful mentor. You see what I'm saying? A free training. Click the link below and I guarantee you your life can change. Click the link below.